In today's video, I am going to teach you how to record loan in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll have a clean, accurate way to show that loan money came into your bank while also tracking what you owe as a liability. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. First, open Zoho Books and get ready to set up the accounting foundation for the loan. We'll begin by creating a dedicated loan account so your balance sheet reflects the amount you owe. Head to the Accountant section and open the chart of accounts. Click the option to add a new account. When you are prompted for the account type, choose either Other Current Liability or Long-Term Liability. If the loan is due within a year, Other Current Liability makes sense. If it'll be paid back over a longer period, Long-Term Liability is the better fit. Give the account a clear, recognizable name, like bank loan, so it's easy to find later. Then click Save. This step ensures your loan doesn't hit income or expense, it's properly tracked as something you owe. Next, let's record the actual funds that landed in your bank. Go to the Banking module and select the bank account where the lender deposited the money. We're going to capture this as a deposit coming from your newly created loan account. Click Add Transaction and choose Deposit from Other Accounts. In the From Account field, select the loan account you just created. Enter the exact deposit date shown on your bank statement and the loan amount. Double-check those details, then click Save. What you've done here is important. You've increased your bank balance and at the same time, increased your loan liability. This keeps your profit and loss untouched, which is exactly what you want for loan principal. If your bank feed is connected, this deposit should match what you see in your feed, helping with reconciliation. Use the precise date and amount to keep everything aligned and make month-end review smoother. If the lender sent the money in multiple deposits, simply repeat this deposit process for each installment, always selecting the same loan liability account as the source. That's it. Thanks for watching.